Dear friends, on this World Health Day, the theme being building a fairer and a healthier world, let us discuss some very important points and try to introspect that how we can contribute to ensure a healthier tomorrow and a healthier world. And these points are very much in sync with the learnings from the COVID 19 pandemic all across this year. The first is understanding the importance and prioritizing the preventive and promotive health. Considering the steep rise in the lifestyle disorders like diabetes, hypertension, heart diseases, and looking at the vulnerability of people suffering from these diseases to COVID for now and to many more illnesses which could come in future for us, it's high time that we start prioritizing our preventive and promotive health. And we all know what do we mean by preventive health? We mean a healthy diet, keeping ourselves away from substance abuse and alcohol, practicing healthy routine like daily exercising, healthy sleep habits, etc. The COVID 19 pandemic has very drastically shown us that the people suffering from the lifestyle disorders had lot of issues and there were a lot of differences at large in the people in the outcome of the management of people who were having a healthy lifestyle as compared to those who had vulnerability because of the lifestyle issues. The second point is proper awareness and practicing an appropriate and responsive health seeking behavior. In this era of outpouring social media information, it's really very important to understand the importance of correct sources of information. Every day we receive hundreds of text and messages in our social media handles, in our WhatsApp. Most of the time we don't even know that what is the source of those texts. Still they get registered in our mind and we start believing on them. As responsible and educated citizens, it's really very important to understand the importance of having the source of information from a valid and authenticated places and spreading the same information amongst your family, friends, and relatives. Equally important is having a responsive and an appropriate health seeking behavior. Most of the times we have seen that people keep on neglecting the symptoms to a long period of time. They try to match up from a Google, from the unqualified friends, and try to get themselves better in those time. And there comes a moment, there comes a point when the health is not manageable without hospitalization. In the medical care, it's very important to catch a disease early, to diagnose it early, and to treat it early. Unnecessary, undue delay in diagnosis and treatment causes lot of harm, and sometimes it is too late. So it's very important to keep yourselves updated with the correct information from a valid and authenticated sources and to practice an appropriate and responsive health seeking behavior. The third important point is preparedness over panic. In this COVID 19 pandemic, we have seen that the panic has been hovering all around the heads of almost everybody. And as a natural response, when we are not prepared, we panic. So, what makes us panic is important to understand. This COVID 19 pandemic has taught us that nobody is immune to all the illnesses. Anybody, any moment can suffer from a medical illness, a surgical illness, an accident, and to COVID for now. So it's very important that we keep ourselves prepared and prepare for a healthier tomorrow. So what panics us is, other than the illness which we are suffering from, is the lack of awareness and monetary concern. So we already discussed about proper awareness. The monetary concerns, it's very important to have a good health insurance and keep yourselves prepared for the future. Anything could come to you and your family. We have seen that out of pocket expenditure in COVID 19 has been one of the major reasons for depression and lot of psychological issues in lower socioeconomic as well as middle socioeconomic strata people. So it's really very important today to plan your future with a good health insurance and keep yourself prepared. Whenever you're prepared, the psychological response is much better, and that definitely helps in improving the overall response. The last, but I will say the most important, is having a sound mental health. Having a basic belief on yourself, on the strength of your body, Having a positive outlook towards life, having a basic trust on your doctors and medical services is something which is very, very crucial. We have again seen a drastic difference in the improvement and management and outcome of people, those who were mentally sound and had a belief in the body, in their overall outlook towards life, against those who had started losing hope right from the beginning. So role of family, friends is very, very important in this time. And for a sound mental health, it's very important to keep yourself engaged in on a routine basis in certain activities, like practicing meditation, yoga, engaging yourself in sports, engaging yourself in hobbies which make you feel relieved from your routine stress. So having a sound mental health is really very important for getting a good outcome in all the health conditions. So with these points, I would like to urge everybody to start thinking and pondering over that we all need to work on our healthier tomorrow, on a healthier world, and without the contribution of each one of us, it's not possible to have a healthier tomorrow for all of us. So it's all of us who have to contribute, and with this I would like to wish a very happy World Health Day to all. Thank you.